All right, if you're in Northport, Florida, you're gonna want to go to this Northport, Florida, because check this out, PACKOUT wise. PACKOUT tool trays. There's a pair there. Looks like there's, I don't know how many in a box. 4 pack, and then if you go down the aisle with the Milwaukee tools, at least a good bit. Look at the PACKOUTs. This is better than the Fort Myers one. They got the XL, they got a cooler, a couple carts, a radio, a couple lights, plenty of bags, plenty of halves, low pros, half low pros, halves, low pros, fulls, crates, medium, small, deep, and PACKOUT drawer. That's right, so Northport, Florida. The there's 2 of them in Northport, like maybe one's Port Charlotte. Northport, plenty of PACKOUT and weirdo kids. All right, so I'm gonna head out of here. It's about time for me to pack out. And then I see that, look at that. Free crate when you spend $219 or more. There's the roller, there's the XL, the coffin, standard profiles, small. Heck yeah. So Northport, Florida, PACKOUT is in full effect. I'm out of here. You guys have a good one. JakeOfALL, PACKOUT.